the person icon and navigate to your settings. Select Flat Rate Resource. Your flat rate resources are the hourly labour rates that can be applied on different work sections within your estimates. The default rate is the hourly charge-out rate that is automatically applied across all work sections upon importing the job file. You must have a default rate set, though this can be supplemented by adding as many additional charge-out rates as you wish. Your labour rates must be either a flat rate or, if factoring in varying charge-out rates for different workers, this must be an average. To find the average, add all the rates together and divide by the number of workers. Select the default rate and select Edit. Update the rate and click Save. To add more rates, select Add and enter the resource name. This might be the name of a single worker, a position, or team. Next, enter the rate and then click Save. You can add as many flat rate resources as required.